Hello, cloud enthusiasts. Today, we're going to demystify the Azure management infrastructure. We'll take a deep dive into the concepts of resource groups, subscriptions, and management groups. Ready to decode Azure? Let's get started. Azure management infrastructure is a hierarchy of organization and governance. At the very top, we have management groups. Below them, we have subscriptions. And lastly, within subscriptions, we have resource groups. Think of it like a tree structure, where management groups are the trunk, subscriptions are the branches, and resource groups are the leaves. Management groups provide a level above subscriptions and help us organize our access, policy, and compliance needs. Imagine being a leader of a big enterprise where you can view all the operations at once and cascade your decisions down to the smallest units. That's what a management group does. Subscriptions, on the other hand, are like the separate departments of a company. They're the logical containers of Azure services. They allow isolation between projects while enabling various payment options. Resource groups are like the teams working on different projects within those departments. They group related services for complete solutions and allow resources to be deployed across multiple regions. They provide a way to manage and organize resources within your subscriptions. Resource groups are where the actual magic happens. They bring your cloud vision to life. Understanding the Azure management infrastructure helps us not only to organize resources effectively, but also to manage access controls, optimize costs, and maintain governance at scale. Remember the tree analogy we used earlier? Well, in Azure, a well-structured tree means a well-managed cloud environment. That's all for today, folks. Stay tuned. Next up, we will deep dive into Azure subscriptions. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more cloud content. See you in the cloud!